about to make something I've never made before. So I want y'all to watch me and probably it'll be good. I'm gonna make what is it called? Chicken Alfredo, but it's different. I made it before, but I never made it this way before. Y'all, it's time for a taste test. Now I did get a little bit of the sauce and tasted it because I'm so nervous. I had to calm my nerves down because I'm anxious, but I did not really taste it. So this is for my lovely husband, the first plate.
Thank you.
And I want you to taste it. Come on, babe, please. I hate when you do that. Don't make me wait. Just taste one and tell me.
That's good. I like it. By the way, you're taking it. That's good.
Just the one.
Good, right?
Oh, yeah. Try this, y'all. Try that. I'll do it real good. Let's go get the girl's reaction. Taste it, right? Tell me what you think, baby. This one right here, she's gonna taste something. She always tastes the food. She's very good with tasting stuff. I love that about her. This one, she'll taste it if her sister tastes it. She's really good with tasting food too. Go ahead, baby. Is it so good? Is it good? Yeah? Wow, you like it? Good job, mommy. I love it. It's very good. So I'm so proud of myself.
No.
And I'm so happy that my husband helped me chop up some stuff. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Comment if you want to see me do other things. I'm very excited about this, so I'm about to go max my food. And I'll talk to y'all later.